Hello, my name is PRITHVVI RANA. I am 12 years old. I live in Brampton, Ontario, Canada. My school name is Dalton Public School. I just got promoted to grade 7. My hobbies include swimming, soccer, and of course, robotics. My project is the Smart Railway Crossing Gates. Why this project? This project is very needed because I have firsthand seen the difference between the developed countries and developing countries, and there is a very big difference. In developed countries, everything is very smart, and including the railway system. But in undeveloped countries, people have to manually crank up or crank down the arms, and that takes time, effort, and can also lead to human lives and error. The components in this build include an MIT board, 2 IR sensors, 2 servo motors, 2 battery cases, and a lot of wires. The process is that one IR sensor will detect the movement of the train, and then it'll send the signal to the brain to tell the arms to close. Then after the train passes, the traffic stops, the train will pass, and then this IR sensor will send a signal to the brain that the train has left. You can now open the arms to let the traffic flow. The next thing is future of my project. In the future, I would like to add lights and sound so the physically challenged people can also hear or see what is happening. The conclusion is that I want to help developing countries to have a better railway system and to save human lives because of human error. This is a cheap and reliable alternative. Now for a demo. For the demo, I shall start the train and turn on the board. After the train gets to the IR sensor, which you will get there in a minute, then everything came down and then it came back up to let the traffic flow. Now one more time. After it hits the IR sensor beam, the gates will go down. And then it will open again. That was my project. I hope you like it. Thank you.